Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So today question is one Math Olympiad challenge. That question is how to solve or how to prove summation of n equals to 1 to 9,999 1 over square root n plus square root n plus 1 whole into fourth root of square root n plus fourth root of square root n plus 1 equals to 9. So what I am taking fourth root of n plus 1 equals to y. Then square root of n plus 1 will be y square and n plus 1 will be y power 4. In the same way, fourth root of n equals to, let it be x, then square root of n equals to x square and n equals to x to the power 4. So let's see what is y power 4 minus x to the power 4. It will be y square minus x square whole into y square plus x square. Again it can be written as y minus x into y plus x whole multiply y square plus x square. Y power 4 minus x to the power 4 is nothing but, it will be n plus 1 minus n, that equals to 1. So whole numerator can be written as, the numerator is here y power 4 minus x to the power 4. And what about the denominator? Denominator equals to x square plus y square multiplies x square x plus y. So what is this term? an equals to, this is numerator, n. Numerator is equals to 1 over square root of n plus square root of n plus 1 whole into square root fourth root of n plus fourth root of n plus 1. This is nothing but your y4 minus x4 power. Here it will be x square y square and x plus y. So what is the result? This is so nth term will be just y minus x. So nth term is y minus x, then summation of n from 1 to 9999. It will be summation of n equals to 1 to 9999. And what is y minus x? Y minus x is fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n. Will go for the telescopic sum of this series. When n equals to 1, or first term, first I'll put n equals 1 here, it will be 2. So fourth root of 2 minus fourth root of 1. When n equals to 2, a2, this is a1, a2 equals to 3 minus fourth root of 2. N equals to 3, a3, third term will be fourth root of 4 minus fourth root of 3, so on. And when it will be a 9999, it will be 10,000 fourth root minus 999 fourth root. Certainly, before that, this term will be 9998 equals to fourth root of 9999 minus fourth root of 9998, and all the terms will be hidden here. Terms. So you will take the sum. So summation of, you can find all will be cancelled. Only these two will be left. So summation of n equals to 1 to 9999, 1 over square root of n plus square root of n plus 1 whole into fourth root of n plus n and fourth root of n plus 1 equals to, this term is left, 10,000 fourth root, so this is 10 minus fourth term of 1, that will be 1. So the answer is 10 minus 1, that equals to 9. So that is proved. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.